pretty much stock besides just a couple of other things. So the engine and the just basic kit I got off of Amazon. It was like $175 Canadian. Not bad for a whole kit. That's all stayed the same basically, except I've gotten this engine mounted chain tensioner, because the ones on the chainstay, they're just horrible. They're bad. The carb is still stock. Ignition, that's all stock. Throttle and grips and clutch lever, that's all stock. And modifications. So this is just a cosmetic thing. I got this new gas cap, just looks cooler, kind of easier to open with gloves on. And probably the most noticeable one is this exhaust. It's a flexible exhaust. I believe it's called the Viper. I just got it on Amazon too for like 49 bucks. It has a nice straight expansion chamber, which is fine because you're always running these things wide open. It's flexible, so most people route them down by the chainstay, like on a racing supermoto or something like that. I made mine look a little more like a regular dirt bike. It's not the most solid mounted. The mount that they actually give you is just this little piece of metal. That's not good, but I got some zip ties there holding tension on it. It doesn't move. It's a little janky, but it's good on there. Another one that I've done is this hub right here. So the rag pinch hub that busted up in my first wheel that I had on this bike, it wasn't good. So I got this sprocket and it was too big originally. So I tried to just use some inner tubes to make a spacer, but that was bad. I broke another wheel, rebuilt it. So now I have this little adapter there. So that takes this, which is 1.5 inches, down to 1 inch, and then it has a little piece of rubber in there so it doesn't slide. And that's solid. That doesn't go anywhere. It's a great piece. And the bike rack, so it's good for mounting on the exhaust there, but also if I go on longer rides, I can take extra gas with me, because these aren't the most fuel efficient. Most I've ever gone on this was probably 60 kilometers, but that was also coasting down hills. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed just a little overlook of the bike. If you want more content like this, just make sure to subscribe and like the video.